Let's talk now about character style. We use character style when some word inside the paragraph should have a visual aspect different than the rest of the paragraph. I want to have a different look of few words, so in this case you create a character style instead of editing the whole paragraph. What is different between character and paragraph style? It is important to remember that a paragraph is one or more words which ends when there is the end of paragraph, like when you press return on the keyboard. But now I want the only baguette, we have a different look. For instance, now I want to make this bold. So I go to the upper part of the text, I choose for bold. So now is bold condensed, but you see there is on the paragraph style there is this little plus, that this means that the computer understands that something happened. But if I will go to redefine the style, everything will become bold condensed. I don't want to do that, but if I cancel this, now it go back to the original style. So there is something I have to do. So let's go back to bold condensed. Maybe I change a little the tracking as well. So now I want to create a character style. Again, I will call this bold. And as you can see, the description, there is not font family because the font family is took from the paragraph style, but bold condensed. The information on all the other white fields are took from the paragraph style. The only changement is bold condensed and -20 in tracking. You can see from the top -20 is also repeated here. You press OK, and now from the top of the screen you have bold right there, and then you can make a selection of every single word you want to, and you can apply bold, and this will be like a consistent character style on top of the paragraph style. In this moment, all those words are also connected because they belong to the same paragraph style, and also they belong to the same character style. So for example, if I want to set in evidence some specific word, maybe I want to change the color, I can make the selection, I can go to the style option and change the color of the bold style to magenta, as like this. Generally speaking, the paragraph style is to be preferred over the character style. It's more powerful. You can make a whole sentence, you can change the style. For example, this is like an intro text I want to make like condensed, and then I can create a brand new paragraph style, which is going to be called intro, and then all those words are linked together with the same style. So now in any moment, intro is different. I can may decide to change the intro. But for example, in terms of color, the color of intro is the same of testo base, so I can change the color in testo base, I will change the color of intro. Now I want to bring back this magenta to a nicer color, so I want to go to, let's say, this brown, and then I want to redefine the style also of the bold, and now everything looks nicer and more consistent. The text I have here is longer for the space I have in the page. In future, I'll explain you how to manage this.